Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you how to build an app in under an hour, maybe even less, 45 minutes with no code, zero code for free. My previous app I built, I hooked it up through ChatGPT with an API code. This one I'm going to keep it a little more simple, and on my next tutorial, I'll get back to a little more complex. All you need with this is Cursor. This is the AI code editor. It's amazing. I'm going to run through it really quick. And next, you'll need node.js on your computer. You can download it. Both of these are free. And yeah, let's get started. And also, I'm using ChatGPT 4.0. You can use any large language model. But yeah, let's get into it. Go into your large language model. You can use DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, any of them, really. And what we want to do is the more time you spend here, the better off you're going to be, because what you're going to do is say, acting as a professional coder and web builder, I want some help building some custom prompts for Cursor to build an app. Okay, then you follow the ball up, you hold to the top, and then exhale, right? So I'll say the app is designed around breath work. I want to make this simple with all white background and following the ball up while you breathe in. Breath exercises, and please help me create the prompt for Cursor. Also, design, I want to keep this simple and minimalistic. I need a name and brand and want to use only indigo blue / purple that glows while you follow the ball. Then I want to add a dark and night mode. All right. It created me I think it gave me a bunch of images. Okay, so now it's given me the Cursor prompt. Ball, circle ball that moves vertically. Not just vertically. So it can also sketch out everything, but up here as well, it gave me dark mode and light mode and branding, Luma breath, pulse air. I'll say copy. I need some more names for the brand. Can you please help? And then copy for the home page, but want to keep this design very simple and minimalistic. All right, so now we're going to open up Cursor. And if you've never used Cursor before, You can download it. It's going to ask you to install a development pack on your computer. Accept that. You will also need something called Node.js installed. It's another development tool. If you're ever unsure, take a screenshot. On the left-hand side here is where all the files will be created. So there's no files right now. I created one on my desktop called Breathwork, and that's kind of where I just opened this. So now you can add, and this is all you really need to know is this window for no code. Okay, so I'm going to pop this in. It's on agent mode, and here we go. Press run. It's going to ask, you can read it here. So we'll be running this locally, which means it's not on the web. It's just going to be run through your local machine. Here. While this is going, let's go back to here. View. And breathline. In Halo, oh my gosh. Quiet current. Pulse air. Still wave. Okay. Okay, let's go back to cursor now. Run app. Okay, well, here's dark mode, light mode. I mean, pretty let's just see. Oh my gosh. This is pretty cool, but I wanted to follow a line. Dark mode, light mode. Pretty cool. Okay, oops. This is kind of what I do. I'll take a screenshot and say, okay, here is V1 and how it looks. Can you please help me make this look better? And the ball needs more movement to follow a line. And how can we create the best user experience and flow? Pretty much at the end of the day, you want your app to have the best flow. Now it's spitting out. I can go in, I'll show you guys, if you are familiar with code and custom CSS styling, I can show you where to put all this. So over here in your app, you have all your components here. I'll say this prompt needs to be the new additional changes. I have already given the full old instructions, so it is not confused. Now it won't probably be confused, right? Apply the following additional updates. Still wave breathing. You can read through this to make sure, but let's see here. Let's go back to cursor. Okay, we got the 7/8, we got the resonate. Let's try it out. Dark mode, light mode. Whoops, light mode. Begin. Oh, that's the hold. Okay. Can it follow, maybe can it follow like a wave? I'm gonna say, so you can take a screenshot here and say, you know, this ball, so let's go back to cursor. You pop the screenshot in and say, the ball is, now this is, now when you're making changes, if you, this is called like vibe coding, you're just kind of going with the flow here. So the ball is cutting off the text. Can you make the motion of the ball more smooth and fluid, like a wave that goes up on the up breath, holds top for the hold, and down on the down breath. Something like that. I'll say also cursor is not making the ball follow the pattern that I want it to. Can you please help me with a prompt so that visually the ball is not just going up and down, it only moves up on the in breath on a smooth angle like a wave, and then holds while at the top, and then goes smoothly down on only exhale. Please update. Okay. Run. Okay, now like breathe in is showing twice. And then the yeah, this is not working properly here. Vertical up and down movement. During inhale, the ball should smooth up at the peak, down, natural, continuous, preferably. There we go. Yeah, more soft round. I like that. Okay, I'm going to download that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Canva and remove the background and make it a PNG.
Okay, here we go. Breathe in. I think like there's no hold at the top though, you know? Let's do the box breath. It should only be 4 seconds up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah, there's no, I'll say it's looking good, but you know, there's no, yeah, okay.
Okay, now I'm going to add the logo in. It says put it in assets. Put it right here under SRC, assets, and rename. Okay, accept. I'll say, please run the app. Run. All right, still wave. Cool. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it didn't quite, the ball didn't quite make it to the top. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to be specific here that, okay. Relaunch the app. This is honestly just as simple as it is, as simple as it can be. You just keep chatting with it. And like I said, if you do no code, you can see red, there's some errors here. There's 2 problems in this. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now we're on the way. Now it's just little changes here and there. Move the light, dark button from the bottom. Because yeah, we got the light, dark, we got dark mode here as well, and we got it here. There we go. You can see it just updated it live here. So I moved that up here. All right, cool. So you guys have seen how that works, how we created the breath in really, really cheap. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Easeflow app for you guys here. I'll say, please launch this app. Open terminal. Here's Easeflow. So this is another app that I created. And this one is very similar. This one has a little cooler logo. It's kind of like the transparent. But tell us where you're tight and we'll create a 5-minute custom flow. So this one is like lower back, or it can even be like left lower back. So start my flow. What this will do is you can choose your breaths per pose. So that's how long you want to hold it. And I did install a voice guide with 11 labs. And you can do the inhale, exhale. And when I start the flow, you can see it builds each of your custom flows. And then if you're tight, it'll even pull another. So this is hooked up to ChatGPT 4.0 and starting your first stretch. And based off how many breaths you selected, it'll count down the inhale and exhale. Very similar to my breath. I could merge the 2 apps and kind of create one if you were visually looking. And then once you're done that flow, you can type in another one, which could be like your arms. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.